What's up guys, it's Carabella, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do something a little bit different that I haven't done on my channel before. I wanna do the splits. I wanna learn how to do the splits. I don't know how to do the splits, and it's been like something that I've wanted to accomplish for a really long time, but I've never really had the time. So during quarantine, I'm going to do stretches every single day to learn how to do the splits. This is day one, video one. I don't know if I should record every single day or if I should record like every 6 days, every 7 days. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to actually get to the splits. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below. Should I record the entire, every single day, or should I just record every other day? I do wanna film this because I want this to be kind of an eye-opening thing for you guys. So the whole reason I wanna film it is because I want you guys to know that anything you wanna do, you can achieve it if you just work towards it. I'm not a flexible person. I'll be the first person to admit it. I really am not flexible, but I know if I practice every single day, I can get to the splits. So that's my goal with this series. I'm gonna make a playlist about me sucking until I can do the splits. I'm gonna mute my computer because I don't wanna get copyrighted, but I'm just gonna do exactly what these girls do, and they already know what's up. So they're just sitting like this right now. They're just like this. I don't know if this is a stretching move. They're just talking. I'm gonna forward this. Oh, this is not good. Okay, so the first thing that they're doing is they're putting their leg out. They're keeping one leg in and they're putting one leg out. And, oh crap. Okay, they're putting this leg like this. Okay, so one leg is like tucked, one leg is out, and this hurts already. And they're going like this. Oh shit. That one chick, her whole body's on her leg. You see how much distance I have from my body to my leg? That's when you know you're not flexible. So I'm just gonna continue to do this. Their legs look so flexible. Holy crap. They're like grabbing their toe and then they go back up and then they're bringing their body down. Let me bring this over here. Okay. Now they're like this. Whew. See, my hamstring right here, this does not want to like loosen up. I'm in so much pain. This is going to be a really bad series. I hope you guys get a lot of laughs out of this. I hope this makes you laugh while you're on quarantine. Now they're just hanging out. Okay, now they're pulling their body into the center. Holy crap, like I literally cannot move. This chick is laying on the ground. She's like this, laying down. Okay, this is as far as I can go. I feel like I'm going to snap. Okay. I'm just gonna hang my head because that's what they're doing, but their bodies are on the ground. Now what they want, now you wanna go back like this. Holy shit. And just, fuck. Okay, I can't get my body all the way back like that. That chick is laying down. One leg is back, one leg is out, and she's like this. Whew. Okay, this isn't that bad. They're crawling forward again. Holy shit, you guys, this is really actually painful. Like I really, fuck. Then they're going back again. Oh, this chick is laying all the way down on the ground. Like back is on the floor. All right. Now switching legs. Ooh, ooh, ow, ow, my knee, jeez. I legit can feel this all over my body. And then pull. This is gonna be harder than I thought, you guys. I am so not flexible. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. And then they're like this. And then, so if you can put your body down like on the ground right here, I feel like you can pretty much do the splits. This is as far as I can go. I know you guys can barely see because I have a sweater on, but let me tell you, it's cold in here and I'm not about to freeze. Oh my gosh. Oh, fuck. Okay. So they just seem to be doing this over and over again. I feel like this is probably one of the main things you need to have like limber. And they're going back up. One chick is not very good. Okay. Okay. Now what they're doing is, so now we're doing this. Rocking. Okay. Fuck. It's not for me to say. How fucking short are these bitches? This shit is painful. All right, we're back to sitting down, and now we're doing this, and she's going like this. Okay, I could do this. This is okay, but her body is like flat on her knee, and she's like pushing her body down. See, I can't even get my chest to my knee yet. I've got a long way to go. Oh my gosh. This hurts so bad right here on my hamstring. I just look like a blob. I just look like an inflexible. Oh shit, she's doing the splits. And now she just did the splits. Let's see how far I can go. That's like, okay, that's as far as I can probably go. Nowhere near the splits. And it fucking hurts. Ow. Okay, you guys, we gotta do this again. They're moving sides, they're moving legs. She's stretching this one now. So this is all the way back and she's pushing forward. but her foot is, so don't bring your toe up. Bring your body down to your toe, pointed. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is gonna be a long series, you guys already know what's up. Your girl cannot do the splits. Whew. Wow, literally this is amazing. I cannot wait to get there. Okay. And that's the routine that I'm gonna be doing every day until I can get down into the splits. If you guys wanna follow along at home, then go to 12-minute splits stretch flexibility workout for beginners, how-to tutorial for the splits. You know what? I'll link it below for you guys so you can check it out for yourself what I just did. I probably did them all incorrectly, but like I said, this is day one. I'm gonna do the splits here on this channel, and I wanna show you guys the progression and just let you guys know that you can do anything that you put your mind to. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave me some funny comments down below. I love to read them. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Let me know what you guys think about filming every single day when I'm stretching, or every other day, maybe once a week. Let me know, but it's gonna be painful and funny, but I will do the splits, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.